Okay, chat. We're gonna jump right into it. My name is Pig. This is my platform. I appreciate everybody who subscribe, who's following me. But I'm doing this tutorial because I had an amazing review off of a delivery video that I put together. So I'm gonna give my followers, subscribers, or just the viewers a quick breakdown, and I'm coughing because of this. So don't listen to what nobody say. Do what you do and how you do it. My representation is for those that have particularly a criminal background and new to the industry. There's two ways that you can go about this. One, first of all, you have to have a driver's license. That's number one. You have to have a driver's license, and you have to have access to a vehicle, preferably your own vehicle, because some companies that you drive with and for are going to want you to show proof of insurance. Okay, so once you have those three things established, you have your driver's license, you have your vehicle or reliable transportation, and thirdly, insurance, because they're going to probably want you to put their company on your policy for insurance purposes. Now, the courier game is a little bit more strategic than a lot of people may presume or put out there in the public. There's stages and levels to this stuff. So you can do medical courier, you can do package delivery, you can do long haul courier. It all depends on the vehicle you got, the insurance you got, and the company that you are working for. See, now, if you want to run as an LLC, an independent courier, you must go here to the IRS.gov website. Scroll down, and then you apply for an employer ID number. This is free.com. You come up with a name for your company, you come up with the state information and all that. After you do that, if that's the route that you want to go, I recommend you. This is the only money that I am going to ask you to spend. Everything else, you do it on your own. You then Google my brother, Aaron Gibson. This is his book. You see, Business Credit Score Plus. It is a 10-page read for $10. It shows you how to correctly establish your company, everything that you will need from the banks as far as setting up a telephone number, a business address, a Duns and Bradstreet number. I know a lot of you don't know what that is. That you need that to be a recognizable business in this company, period. So there's no getting around it. But again, you don't have to go this route. This is for people with career backgrounds, facing child support, debt, anything that you're worrying about, your social security number coming up and being hindered with, or being garnished for checks. Your checks garnished for wages and things of that nature. Do the LLC route. You don't have to go worry about them dealing with taking your money and garnishing your wages and things of that nature. Right? So then once you get that part done, there's different things that you might want to go do. See, I have a TWIC card. This gets you security clearance onto the bases, into ports. So you can go and get freight and loads from off of the docks. They have pharmaceutical routes, small routes where you can use a Toyota Prius to go do. That's if you're delivering to group homes. You know what I mean? You might get a gig, a facility. These are a lot of night jobs with that, and overnight jobs, delivering to pharmaceuticals, to group homes, nursing homes, things of that nature. These are daily runs. You know what I mean? The pay vary depending on where you at and how far the route is. Every facility might not get medication every day. Then I had a medical contract where I delivered to Walmart, Target, CVS, and a couple of other privately owned pharmacies. You know, I had a cargo van come out, filled up 300 bins, maybe 10, 15 stops. You know what I mean? Again, base pay, solid pay, daily rate, 5 days a week. The route that I had, every state, every company is different. Okay, so then you have apps. I do a lot of app hustling, but I only app hustle with apps that I can do all across the country. I'm gonna give a couple of names of some apps, and the only reason why I'm giving you the names of these apps is because I don't fool with them no more personally because of some personal issues that I dealt with them. So I'm in the process of litigating. Airspace Technologies, very good company, pays well. They only pay one direction if you live close to near airport or near hospitals. A good app. Boom. Walmart Spark, another very good app. Get good money. But as far as the apps go, you have to message me with your city and comment, and then I'll just show you, screenshot you my phone and all the apps that I do. You know what I mean? Because I can go from Alaska to Miami and work. You know what I mean? And if you go through some of my videos, you will see where I've done structured up videos. I'm in Vegas making 200 a day. I'm in Seattle making 400 a day. I go down to Georgia, 350 a day, stuff like that. So I'm all over the country, every state, every little nook and cranny doing app hustle. And I'm an emergency driver for a company called OnTrac where I do package deliveries. You know what I mean? So I'm all over the nation with that. That's a nationwide company. But again, you need a driver's license, a vehicle, insurance. Google independent courier in your city. That'll bring up a list of a whole bunch of companies. You can find out the requirement that they need, that they're requiring for you to get your to get on with these companies. Again, if you need a list of companies, if you need contact information, contact me, message me, put apps, put your city, put what you're looking for. But you have to subscribe for this information. I have a plethora more. I do a lot of different things. You see that back there? That's a food cart. But this is strictly the app tutorial. Everything that you need to get started with roadblocks you may run into. Some companies do not, majority of the companies do not check for marijuana use. They're going to say that on their platform publicly just for to scare off those. Most of them are not going to check for that. But you have to be the judge of that. Don't get scared. You got ways to get around. If you're a convicted felon, you're worrying about that, you can use a tax ID number. You have to have a vehicle. You have to have insurance. You have to have a driver's license. If there's any more information that you would like me to provide with you on as far as getting a TWIC card, the irs.gov, my brother's book, leave a message, comment. Thank you very much. This is your boy Pig, Money Hog channel. I also have an alternative channel for international travel and vegan eatery called Planet Passport. My company is called Planted Dreek. You know what I'm saying? Support. Subscribe, share, like. Let's get this bag.